click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the notification of every video I upload.
Hello friends, this is iDroid in Creation. In this video I will talk about how to fix the KineMaster error, failed to initialize, so let's watch.
Friends, before starting the video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos and PUBG Mobile latest hacks.
So friends, this problem usually occurs in Huawei and Honor devices. But today I will show you how to fix this error. The process is very simple. Also I will do whole process without parallel space. So friends, first all of you just have to delete the old version of the KineMaster you have installed. Then you have to install the APK file, for which link is in description. After the installation, open it and give permissions to the app. Here you can see, it is giving no error and working fine. So friends, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech videos. Peace out.